Hi guys, today we will talk about how to get verified on your Tinder app. We will go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your Tinder app. You just go down here, you click here on this mark here, then it's going to take you to next window and you just go up, you click here on this mark settings and it's going to take you to settings window here. Then you just go down here, so you just keep going here and you come here to photo verify chat. You just click here on this mark and like you see this window show or this show for us, and you click here on continue here, you click here on next and you click here on agree, and you click here on continue here. So and when you add all that and you click here you enable camera, and it's going to take you take so selfie camera, and it's going to add your verify on your verification on your account. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.